Hi student, my name is Professor Prakash Vasankar. Today I prove an important theorem in mathematics part first for class 12 and name of the theorem is cosine rule. Theorem is in any triangle ABC prove that a square is equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc into cos A. Here, small a, small b, small c are the sides of the triangle ABC, and capital A, that is the angle in standard position. Draw triangle ABC by taking vertex capital A in standard position. That is, here we use two cases. First case, angle is acute. Second case, angle is obtuse. In this figure, angle A is acute. So we draw here triangle ABC A in standard position. Angle at vertex A is capital A and coordinate of A is 0, 0. Coordinate of B C, 0. By using the definitions of the trigonometric function, coordinate of vertex C B cos A, B sin A. In this figure, angle A is obtuse and A again A in standard position. The length of side opposite to vertex A is small a, length of side opposite to vertex B is small b, and length of side opposite to vertex C is small c. Coordinate of A 0, 0, coordinate of B C, 0, and coordinate of C B cos A B sin A. From figure, length BC is equals to A, length AC is equals to B, length AB is equals to C. Dear student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. In both figure, A is in standard position. Therefore, coordinate of A 0, 0. Point B or vertex B lie on the x-axis. Therefore, y coordinate 0 and x coordinate c. By using the definitions of the trigonometric function, coordinate of vertex C B cos A, B sin A. In this theorem, we prove that A square is equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. So we write here LHS, that is left hand side, which is equals to A square. LHS, which is equals to, from figure, A is equals to length BC. So length BC whole square. And then by using the distance formula, we find here length BC, because in figure we know that the coordinate of vertex B and vertex C. Coordinate of vertex B C, 0, coordinate of C B cos A B sin A. So by using the distance formula, left hand side is equals to, in bracket, under root B cos A minus C whole square plus B sin A minus 0 whole square, bracket square. Then here square and root cancel. Square and root cancel, so we get here is equals to, that is left hand side is equals to B cos A minus C whole square plus B sin A minus 0 whole square. Then I expand this with the help of the formula A minus B whole square, A square minus twice AB plus B square. So I get here B square cos square A minus 2BC cos A plus C square plus B sin A minus 0 B sin A whole square. So B square sin square A. Then from first and last, therefore, LHS, that is A square is equals to, from first and last term B square take common, then in bracket cos square A plus sin square A minus 2BC cos A as it is plus C square. Therefore, A square is equals to B square as it is, bracket terms, that is cos square A plus sin square A. This is the first fundamental identity. So which is equals to 1. Therefore, 1 into B square plus last term C square minus 2BC cos A. Again, this can be written as 2BC cos A is equals to B square plus C square minus A square. Then here divided both sides by 2BC. Therefore, cos A is equals to b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. And this is the required proof of cosine rule for angle A in standard position.